Excel opens first before policy or law. A workbook from 2009 that no one is allowed to withdraw. 20 tabs called Final 2. Use this one. Cell A1 runs the country. Merge, bold and wrong. Every department swears their copy is the source of truth. VLOOK stacked on VLOOK repeat, held together by youth. Macros written by someone who left without a trace. If it errors, we paste values, move on with grace. Access was suggested once, then quietly ignored. SQL was too honest, Excel was preferred. Budgets live in pivot tables nobody can read. If the numbers disagree, we hide the column we do not need. Behold Excel, our national database. Rows of destiny, formatted by chance. One sheet to rule the offices, divisions and teams. If it opens without crashing, we call that governance. Locked cells everywhere, passwords lost to time. If it balances by Friday, the system is fine. Behold Excel, our national database. A spreadsheet empire built on hope and paste. Charts decide funding, color decide truth. Red means urgent, green means approved. Someone sorted one column and not the rest. Now the entire ministry is an abstract test. Behold Excel, our national database. Policy by formula, justice by case. One broken reference, and the future is blank. A nation held hostage by a circular link. If it crashes, we reboot democracy again. An email file mark final swan. This one. This one.